How to download and install WhatsApp mobile application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily download and install WhatsApp mobile application. So first thing, if you are on your Android, just head over to your Play Store and just head over to search and just search in for WhatsApp application. So once you search in for WhatsApp app, it's basically mobile application. So once you're inside here at the first, you will be seeing this icon. So as you can see, I've already downloaded it. You'll be seeing an option to install it. Just click on install. So once you successfully install the WhatsApp application, just click on open. And once you open your application, it will ask you for your registration of your phone number. So simply enter your phone number over here. So I will just enter mine. And once you do that, if I had already logged into this account, it might ask you for your backup account to restore your chats. So I'll just enable it. In your case, if you are logged in for the first time, it might not show you this, so you can just skip it and click on next and enter your profile details like name. You can also add email to protect your account, and just like that, there you go. That is exactly how you can easily download and install WhatsApp application on your Android device. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.